Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the BIGGERFIVE Vigor Kids Fitness Tracker. Hopefully by the end of the video you will be able to make a decision on whether this is the right watch for your child or not. You can buy this watch directly from the website biggerfive.com and benefit from our exclusive promo code. Please watch the video that will appear at the end of this video to access the code. Inside the box there is an instructions manual, a service card with support contact details, the main watch, and the straps. As you can see, it looks really smart. You can order it in 4 different colours: black, red, purple and blue. I have here the red one, which has a fish design on the strap. The battery on the watch can last up to 7 days. Charging it is really easy. All you need to do is pull out the bottom strap where it says CE and plug it directly into a USB port on a computer, phone charger or power bank. Full charge requires about 1 to 2 hours. Now let's look at its capabilities. To turn on or move between screens, tap the icon on the bottom of the screen. The first screen will display the time, date and battery. The second screen will show you how many steps you have completed during the day. The third screen will display the heart rate. You then have 3 activities such as walking, running and cycling, and a stopwatch. You can change the activities displayed on the watch. I will show you how to do this on the VeryFit Pro app later on. Now, to track an activity, select one from the watch, let's say running. To start the activity, tap and hold. It will count you down and the activity will begin. Now you can monitor your steps and calories burnt, your mileage covered and pace, and your heart rate. To stop the activity, go back to the main screen, then tap and hold again. The watch also supports different displays or dial settings for the screen. I will show you how to change these on the app. Now let's have a look at the app. The watch works with the VeryFit Pro app. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to set up your watch with the VeryFit Pro app. After you've set up the watch with the app, you will be able to change the settings on your watch and see additional stats. The home page will display your activities, showing the number of steps, mileage and activity duration. You will also see sleep statistics. This includes deep sleep, light sleep and awake time. You will also see the heart rate, showing the resting heart rate, average heart rate and maximum heart rate. Now tap on Device on the bottom of the screen. If you want the activity tracker to send you call notifications, then tap on Call Alert, then enable Call Alert and tap the correct sign on the top right side of the screen. If you want your watch to notify you when you've been inactive for too long, then tap on Sedentary Alert and enable it. Here you can tune when to get notified. Then tap on the correct sign. If you want to set alarms on your activity tracker, tap on Alarm Alert, then tap on the plus icon and select the type, time and the schedule of your alarm. Then tap on the correct sign. You can also enable SNS Alert to receive SMS, email and social media notifications. First enable Allow Notifications and select the social media apps you want to receive notifications from. Don't forget to tap the correct sign. The watch can also be used to trigger the photo shutter on your phone. Now tap on More. Activity Display will allow you to change the activities displayed on your watch. To do this, tap on the plus icon. As you can see, only 3 activities can be selected. So unselect the activities you don't want to display, let's say bicycle. Then add the activity you want to display, let's say workout. Now tap the correct sign and this will change the activities displayed on your activity tracker. Now to change the display on the watch, tap on Dial Settings and select the display you like. Then tap Confirm. This should cover some of the things you can do with the BIGGERFIVE Fitness Tracker. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.